In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue where your mouse cursor starts automatically moving on its own. This is a quick and easy tutorial. There are just a couple of methods that you will need to try in order to find the solution that works for you. So what you need to do first is come over to the Start menu, and we're going to search for Control Panel, and then just head over to this Control Panel app. Inside of here, you need to make sure View By is set to large icons, and then we're going to come over to this mouse option and come over to pointers from the top here, and just press this button down here where it says Use Default, and deselect Enable Pointer Shadow. And then we can come over to pointer options from the top here, and you want to adjust your pointer speed. Now I like to keep mine somewhere in the middle of this. Just make sure it's not set either too slow or too fast. And you also want to deselect this option here, Enhance Pointer Precision, and then come down to this visibility section. And you also want to uncheck Hide Pointer while typing, and then we can just press Apply and OK to save these changes. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is come back over to your Start menu, and we need to search for Device Manager, and then come over to this Device Manager panel. Inside of here, we need to come down to Mice and Other Pointing Devices, and you should see your mouse inside of this list. And the first thing we're going to try is by right-clicking on our mouse and coming into Update Driver. And then we're just going to press Search Automatically for drivers. And if you're already running the latest driver on your device, then that's great. We can close out of this window. And the next thing we're going to try, if that's still not working, is we're going to right click and come over to Uninstall Device. And you just need to press Yes on this confirmation message. And if you've got a second device in here, it's also worth uninstalling this one. And that's going to uninstall your device, so your mouse would have now stopped working. And what you'll need to do is, if it's a USB connection, you'll need to unplug your mouse and then reconnect it. Now, if you're not connected to an external mouse, if you don't have a USB mouse and it's your trackpad that's actually not working, that's built into your laptop, then instead what you need to do is you'll need to expand this list here, Human Interface Devices. And then inside of here, you should find your touchpad. So for me, it's this top one, the Asus Precision Touchpad. And we're going to do exactly the same thing just by right-clicking and coming into Update Driver. And then we can press Search Automatically for drivers. And if your drivers are up to date and that's still not fixed the issue, then you simply need to right-click and come into Uninstall Device. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to restart your computer, and this will automatically reinstall the drivers for you. And now, if you're still experiencing problems, the last thing that I'd recommend trying is to check the batteries of your mouse, particularly if you're using a USB mouse, as sometimes batteries with little to no charge in them can also cause this issue. And that's how to fix the issue where your mouse cursor starts moving automatically. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.